let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story, and it comes from Madhya Pradesh. Now, Madhya Pradesh, like several other states in the country, before every election sees a slew of promises made. Now, Madhya Pradesh had their last elections in 2023 November. At that time, the Shivraj Singh Chauhan government had announced a slew of welfare schemes to uplift communities, guarantee ministerial representations. Now, guess what? 2 years after their launch, Shivraj Singh Chauhan has moved to Delhi. Mohan Yadav is the new chief minister there. All the schemes that were promised before the elections have been scrapped. Take a look at just how things happen at times in India. Get Real India.
In election year 2023, the Shivraj Singh Chauhan government in Madhya Pradesh set up a series of social welfare boards, each launched with big promises. Leaders were given ministerial status and they sent the message that voices of the communities would be heard and their future secured. During the elections, the leaders associated with these communities played a crucial role in securing votes for the BJP from their respective communities. But 2 years later, the picture is totally different. 0 rupees spent, minimal meetings, and not a single beneficiary. The government had created these boards in October 2023 for 2 years, and on September 17, 2025, all the boards were dissolved without any review. The government did not give a single rupee to any of the social welfare boards created for the welfare of various communities in 2 years. Despite the allocation of rupees 8.34 crore, no amount was released to any board. Meetings were not held regularly and no district level meetings were held for any board. The boards created by the Chauhan government included the MP Khush Welfare Board from the Khushwaha community, the Swarna Kala Board from the Soni community, the V Tejaji Board for the Jat community, the Jain Board for the Jain community, and several others.
समाज के विभिन्न लोगों को एक रोजगार देना था, उनका विकास करना था, उन्हें ऋण देना था, लेकिन 8 करोड़ 34 लाख में से उनके पास में किसी भी युवा बेरोजगारों के ऊपर एक भी रुपया खर्च नहीं किया गया। मैं समझता हूं कि एक तरह से ये समाज के बोर्ड के साथ में और समाज के लोगों के साथ में छलावा किया, दिखावा किया अपनी 2000 चुनाव की नैया पार लगाने के लिए।
The Congress has alleged that the BJP formed these social welfare boards to mislead communities and garner votes in the elections.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी हमेशा समाज के टुकड़े करती है और ये हिंदुओं की बात करते हैं। अगर हर समाज का सम्मान करना है तो समाज के जो बोर्ड आपने बनाए हैं, आयोग बनाए हैं, उनको भी आपको कंटिन्यू रखना चाहिए। चुनाव के लिए इनको फायदा है, सिर्फ चुनाव के लिए उनका उपयोग करते हैं, उसके बाद भंग कर देते हैं।
When India Today asked Minister of State Gautam Tetwal, he avoided answering and even forgot that he himself had given a written reply on this matter in the assembly.
अलग अलग जो समाज के बोर्ड बने थे, कल आपने जवाब दिया है कि वो भंग हो गए हैं। कांग्रेस कह रहा है कि समाज को साधने के लिए चुनाव के आप लोगों ने बोर्ड बनाए।
ऐसा नहीं है, समय समय पर सीमा समाप्त होती। मैंने नहीं कहा कल का बोर्ड भंग नहीं हुई है, तो उसमें आया होगा, पर ये क्या है कि अब वापस से फिर से नए सिरे से बोर्ड बनना चाहिए।
The boards meant to shape the future of entire communities remained directionless, unfunded and forgotten. Under Mohan Yadav government, they have now been scrapped. Were the boards just an election stunt? With Ravish Pal Singh in Bhopal, Bureau Report, India Today.